What is going on, everyone? Today I got a special video. I'm gonna show you guys how to withdraw money from Robinhood. Right now I'm in my account is restricted. I'm trying to get all my money out. I still got a rack 80 in here and I'm trying to take it out. I stopped trading today. I do have an option still on my account. Got an RTX $70 call, but other than that, the 1,000 is coming out. So what I did was you have first of all you have to liquidate most of your account, like the amount of money you want to take out. So I have $180 call and it's still 180, so I'm gonna just leave 180 just in case I get assigned to the call or whatever. So then basically what you do is sell everything off the account, and you have to let the money settle in your Robinhood account for about 3 days, for about 3 trading days. So that'll be, today is Monday. It should be by Thursday. The money from those trades should have settled in my account, and it would come up as withdrawable cash. So once it shows up as withdrawable cash, there's a difference between buying power and withdrawable cash. It's gonna tell you when you have withdrawable cash, like right here. Oh look, it'll show you right here. It'll show you withdrawable cash. So right now, today's Monday. I'm waiting for Thursday, and then on Thursday morning, I'm gonna request a withdrawal to my bank account, and that usually takes 2 to 3 more business days. So that'll take until like maybe next Tuesday, maybe on Monday. If they're fast, I'll have my money in my bank account, but it will probably be Tuesday since Robinhood is fucking so many people on it right now, and it's like servers are busy. So yeah, that's what you have to do. I'll keep you guys posted on Tuesday or whatever. See when it got here, because I don't know the actual days, and everyone's videos says a different date on when you should expect your money to come through. But yeah, I'm just taking out this money because I fucking day traded restricting my account. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna make more videos on Robinhood, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. Peace out.